Welcome back to Motor Mania. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Nissan Patrol Luxury, a beast of an SUV that combines rugged power with refined comfort like never before. If you thought previous Patrols were impressive, wait till you see what Nissan has done this time around. At first glance, the 2025 Patrol makes a bold statement. The exterior has been completely redesigned with a more aggressive front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a sculpted body that commands presence on any road. It's modern, muscular, and unmistakably premium. The 22-inch alloy wheels, chrome accents, and new color options add that luxury edge, letting everyone know this isn't just a workhorse, it's a statement. Under the hood, Nissan offers a refined 5.6-liter V8 engine that produces a hefty 400 horsepower, paired with a smooth 7-speed automatic transmission. The power delivery is confident, and whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling tough terrain, the Patrol delivers performance with ease. And yes, it's still a proper 4x4, with Nissan's intelligent off-road systems that let you switch between sand, rock, snow, and on-road modes with just a twist of a dial. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that rivals high-end luxury brands. Premium quilted leather seats, real wood trim, ambient lighting, and a panoramic sunroof make it feel like a first-class lounge. The dashboard features a new dual-screen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in navigation, and a premium 13-speaker Bose audio system. Rear passengers aren't left out either. They get massive legroom, climate control zones, and dual entertainment screens. There's even a cooler box between the front seats to keep your drinks chilled on long journeys. Safety-wise, the 2025 Patrol is packed. Nissan's ProPilot Assist, Adaptive Cruise Control, Lane Keep Assist, and 360-degree cameras make every drive more secure and stress-free. So, is the 2025 Nissan Patrol Luxury worth it? If you're looking for a full-size SUV that offers serious off-road capability, top-tier luxury, and modern tech all in one package, this one's hard to beat. Nissan has truly stepped up their game. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more auto content right here on Motor Mania.